Microsoft has disclosed the first details of Windows 10, its next operating system, OS. The name is a surprise bearing in mind it represents a jump from the last version, Windows 8. The software will run on a wide range of devices from smartphones and tablets to PCs and Xbox games consoles, with applications sold from a single store. It also marks the return of the Start menu, which had been removed from Windows 8. In addition to offering a list of the user's favorite applications, the menu also brings up resizable tiles, similar to those featured in Windows 8's touch-centric interface, on PCs and tablets. These provide a quick view of notifications from relevant applications, such as the details of new emails, Facebook messages and weather forecast updates. The company said the facility was intended to make the software seem familiar to both users of Windows 8 and Windows 7. The behavior of the OS will depend on the type of device it is being used on. Unlike its predecessor, users will not need to switch between desktop mode and the touch-focused alternative. However, they can still spread a number of live tiles across the screens of 2-in-1 laptop-tablet hybrids to make them easier to use with both a mouse and finger presses. Mr. Johnson said the reintroduction of the Start menu should help Windows 10 fare better. It is critically important, he said. The Start menu is perhaps the most important thing that will make the desktop experience familiar to business users, and will help it reduce resistance to its installation. Microsoft will offer a technical preview of Windows 10 to early adopters later this week, which will run on laptops and desktops. The company said it would provide details about the introduction of universal apps, individual programs that tailor their functionality to different types of devices, at its Build conference in April, and would aim to release the completed OS before the end of 2015. There was no mention of offering the firm's voice-controlled digital assistant Cortana to PCs, or when Windows 10 would supersede the Windows Phone OS. The firm's smartphone code is designed for ARM-based processors, unlike the main Windows 8 and Xbox operating systems that are built for x86 chips, including those made by Intel and AMD. While Microsoft confirmed that versions of Windows 10 would be released for both types of chip architecture, it did not disclose whether